Good morning and welcome. Today we will be looking at the Real Wealth Solutions Forecasting Spreadsheet. This spreadsheet allows us to forecast different outcomes based on how we spread our investment money over different investments. In this example, we are spreading our $50,000 investment over 5 different investments. We are also assuming that the core strategy will return a 12% return, alpha 30%, and Forex, gold, and DAX 50% each. More information about these investments and how to access them is available on our website, www.realwealthsolutions.com.au. Of course, there is the possibility that exists that the investments might not make a profit. They might lose money, and so it is important to forecast what might happen if these investments were to lose money instead of making money. We need to make sure we look at the risk as well as the reward. As I mentioned before, in this example, we are using $50,000, and we are going to break up that $50,000 by putting 50% in the core investment, 20% in alpha, and 10% in each of the Forex, gold, and DAX investments. By putting a yes in the box, it indicates that the investment made its profitable outcome for the year. You can see overall, based on the above, we would have made a 20% return, and over the next 10-year period, $50,000 compounded for 10 years comes to over $500,000, and after 13 years, over $1.1 million. This is how people build long-term wealth. It is not about putting all your money into one investment, but correctly allocating your funds across a range of investments to reduce your overall risk, but still give you massive upside potential. Too often, investors find what looks like a high-returning investment. They pile all their money into that one investment and find that when things go bad, they are hit very hard. What they should have done was correctly spread their money over a range of investments so that no one investment can ruin their overall portfolio. Let's look at if the Forex investment, instead of making money, it lost money. So instead of making 50%, it lost 25%. So we change that from a yes to a no, and you can see that the overall return changes from 27% down to 19%. But you can see over the long term, we are still able to make massive long-term wealth. This is what most people are trying to achieve. Most people have about $50,000 in their retirement account, and they are looking to build that to over $1 million in the next 15 years when they want to retire. Now, let's look at what happens if 2 investments go bad. Let's say the core investment goes bad. You can see instead of making 19%, we make 11%. Even with 2 investments losing money, losing their maximum amount, we can still make good double digits return, which is still well above the average managed fund return, which is only about 5% PA. I cannot stress the importance of correctly spreading your investment money over a range of investments. This, in my opinion, is the secret to building lasting, long-term wealth. Book in now at www.realwealthsolutions.com.au for a free 30-minute consultation with a licensed and experienced wealth creation expert, and we can help correctly allocate your investment money.